Hello, so today I'll be walking you through my website. It is titled Miss Dazet's Classroom, and my homepage includes a short description of what this website holds and a little bit about what can be found under each tab. Um, at the bottom here in the footer, I have a link to my tech blog. I have my email written here for contact information, and then I have the last revised date. If we go under the Meet Miss Dazet tab, we will find a short biography that includes a little bit about myself, my background, my experience, some goals, and it also includes a picture of myself. If we go under the resources tab, we will find a short description of what is found under this tab. The main page includes just some general resources that I found useful and that I find other people will find useful. This tab breaks down into 5 subgroups that basically all look the same. Each tab includes links to websites I found useful for these particular topics, whether it be games, language arts, math, reading, science. The next one would be tips for online learning. During this strange time, parents and students are learning to adjust to learning remotely, and I have links and videos and articles what I found with useful tips to help adjust. Under technology projects, I have a weather presentation for students to refer back to, and then I have a short presentation on my vegetable garden at home with all pictures I've taken and some facts about different plants. If we go under digital story, it includes a short video about the life cycle of a frog. Under mobile apps, I have a short presentation on the app Canva and how it is useful in education. For the PLN, PLE, I have the table that includes the definitions of each, the categories, examples, links to all of these examples, and reflections that I have written. Under that, we have the concept maps of each, the PLE and the PLN, including their definitions and some examples. Next, we have the website evaluation. I did mine on the website Pre-Kinders. This basically just includes all of my thoughts while going through their website. And then lastly, I have the Apple Teacher Certification. I have a screenshot of all the badges earned. And then if we go back to my homepage and down to where I said I had my tech blog linked, we can go and look at that. I have 3 little short posts. One is on wiki information, one is on copyright and fair usage, and the other one is just a short biography. On this side part, I have hands-on as we grow and their top links of the day. These update as we go, and then we have We Are Teachers and their top links of the day, and then other just search bars and little links on the side. Thanks.